Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. Yes, I'm back again for another video. Yay! But today we're not going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do a what fits in my bag and a closer look at this Coach bag. I recently did an unboxing of this Coach Basquiat square bag. If you want to see that video, I will link it on the description box below and on the card up here. For today, we're going to take a closer look at this bag and what can fit inside. So if you want to see more of this bag, please keep on watching. Before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while, I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. So, let's proceed to our square bags. This is the Coach Basquiat square bag in the color black. This bag showed up at the Coach Outlet website before, like a week before Mother's Day, and I don't know if it's just a glitch on their system because the other Basquiat bags that was on the website were all full price, and this is the only bag that was on sale, and it was 75% off. So what I did is put it in my cart, just add it in my cart just in case it will go through, then well and good. If not, they will just cancel my order. So fortunately, I received this bag and paid 75% off, $795. Yes, this is from the artist Jean-Michel. I don't know how to pronounce his name. If in the Filipino way, Jean, it's read as Jean, but then I heard it Jean-Michel Basquiat, but yes, I don't know how you pronounce his name. So let's take a closer look at this bag. You see the front of the bag, it has a banana. I was reading like what is the meaning of this banana. They said it is like the image of Andy Warhol, but with this particular banana, the only thing that's similar to Andy Warhol was the gray hair, which is in this part. But other than that, I don't know any other meaning with this with his scribbles, or how do you say it, painting scribbles. But this design is not like all painting. The black part, those were stitches, and then it's not like all flat. You can, if you like texture, you can feel different texture in this artwork. So the other side, it's plain black, and at the back, oh, this is the design on the back of the bag. This part is like glitter stitching. It's a glittery material that they use in there, and it's not like flat. It has a texture to it. I don't know, like raised texture. I cannot see it from the side, but you can. It's, I don't know if you will say it as an embossing, but yes, it's not flat. On the other side, it shows Coach NYC New York, and this part is glittery stitching, has a texture to that word. On the bottom of this bag, it says there glovetanned leather. This bag comes with a top handle and a long shoulder strap, and it has a Coach tag, and it says there Coach Jean-Michel Basquiat, and at the back it says licensed artist Jean-Michel Basquiat. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah, cannot see, it's too small. Even with my glasses, I cannot read it. I have to use a magnifying glass. But okay. And then on the top, this is the opening. This is how we open the bag. It has a turnlock closure. So right now, this bag is full with items I normally carry in my bag. So let's open it. As soon as I lift this one, it will open because it's full. So it can open up to that much only. Yeah, I cannot like this is the farthest it can go. And it has a leather piece in here on the side, so that it doesn't really, like, this part will not drop all the way open, which is nice. Let's begin with the items I have inside. The first thing you will see in my bag is the wet ones wipes, because I was able to put it on the top because the leather piece is up to this much only, so I still have room to put it on top. So I have antibacterial wipes. I put it in a Ziploc because sometimes the fluid inside the wet ones drips in the bag, so I'm just protecting the bag with a Ziploc. I have a hand sanitizer. I have a Coach tabby wallet. So it's currently full, but I was able to fit in here. I have a small pouch where I put my essentials. This is my catch-all pouch that I feel like I need to be in my bag on an everyday basis. I have a mask, extra face mask. And at the bottom, as you can see, I put a power bank and a power cord for my iPhone. So that's all I have in my bag. The inside of this bag is all leather. It has a card slot on the front part, but other than that, there's no other pocket. So I pulled some of my SLGs just to show you what other items you can put in here. I tried this Coach Trifold Slim Wallet. If you put it horizontally like this, it doesn't fit. But if I will try to put it diagonally like that, it would fit and I will be able to close it. But you have to play around that space on how you will put the other items on that part. But yes, slim wallet may fit in there, but you need to be a little more creative on how you will put your other items inside. I have an eyeglass case and it does fit just like that, so it can fit in there. So if you need to bring your eyeglasses case, yes, it does fit in there. Zip wallet, can't remember the name of this wallet, but I think it's like L zip wallet, not sure. So if I put it vertically, it still fits. There you go. Anything this size or smaller than this. So this is the comparison with my tabby wallet. My tabby wallet is a little full, so I'm happy that the items that I normally bring in my bag fit in this small tiny bag. Initial thoughts about this bag. Overall, I like it. It's a little small for what I normally use. I like the design, that it's unique, like a pretty art. I don't know. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So whoever sees it, it depends on how they perceive the art, right? But looking at this, it is a unique piece. It's a conversation piece. And I think it's cute. This bag is cute. Although I don't know the meaning of the design, like the portraits per se, but then I feel like wearing this bag is it's quite unique. I would say that way. Quite unique design of a bag. So I like the part that it has a top handle, so like when you're driving or you're going out for like a lunch date, you can put it on top of the table and you can just grab it easily. I'd prefer bags with top handles, so that's a plus. And also if you need your arms to be if you need to be hands-free, you can use it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. I like that it has a cute opening, which is a turn lock closure, and even if you don't lock this part stays there. It doesn't really move. Things that I don't like about this bag is when you open it, it just like open like that. It doesn't wait for you to like manually open the bag. It just drop maybe because it's full, using the bag, you need to put your stuff in it, right? So yes, that's how I feel. Like, I'll wear this as a crossbody right now, and if I open it, like I'm out and about, I'm opening it, it just opened right away, just like that. It's okay because you don't need to fiddle around. You can see your items inside, but part that's not okay is that if you have something that you don't want other people to see, it will just show up. So you just have to be mindful on opening the bag. If you don't have any items that you are hiding or not wanting other people to see, it's fine because it's easy to use. So if I'll remove this wipes, and then if I need something here, I just grab it and pay, and it stays open. I'm fine with that, like so. But then if you don't want it open, you don't need to lock it, you just snap it there and it stays closed. So yes, overall I like this bag. It's a cute bag, although I would prefer it to be a little bigger than this, but I would still keep this bag. For the shoulder strap, it has 5 adjustments. I tried it on the middle setting. It's a little like higher, but now it's on the longest setting. I like it. I like this length for a crossbody bag. So let's put it on the middle setting, how it looks like. So this is on the middle setting. And as a crossbody bag, it sits a little high, but that's still fine with me. I don't mind that short. I've seen people wear their crossbody bag like higher like this. So this length is okay, still okay with me. Let's try it on the shortest setting. So right now it's on the shortest setting. Let's try it on over shoulder. Still doable as a shoulder bag, but let's try it on as a crossbody bag. I think it's still okay. On the shortest setting, I've seen people wear it like this. So another thing that I observe with this bag is the hang tag. Every time I open this bag and I'm trying to close it, this hang tag will just be inside. Well, like that when I close it, it's in the way. But I guess I can change that. But then you want your hang tag to be on the front of the shoulder strap, not at the back of the shoulder strap. So I don't know if I want to keep this one or not. But the weight of this bag is not heavy, the bag itself, but since I put a lot of stuff, my pouch, my wallet, my battery pack, it can be a little heavy. And wearing it as a crossbody, I did wear it for like an hour or two. I can feel the weight of this bag, like the strap putting pressure on my shoulder. So that's my thoughts about this bag. Next time I would try to wear it with a wider shoulder strap. Let's see how it goes, if it will be more comfortable wearing it with a wider shoulder strap or this shoulder strap. But for size reference, I pulled out some of my bags for you to have an idea how big this bag is or how small this bag is. First off, this is the, what is this one again? Oh, this is the Riley lunchbox. So this is the 2 bags side by side, and this is the side. You can see they're almost the same size. The basket is a little taller, but they look almost the same size. Okay, that's for the Riley lunchbox, and I pulled a Cassie 19. At least you have an idea how big this bag is. So this is a Cassie 19 side by side with a basket square bag. There you go. And the last bag we can compare, this is Cassidy bag. The Cassidy bag I've been wearing non-stop lately. Although this bag is small, it can fit a lot. So this is my go-to bag lately. So that's it for our video for today, guys. A closer look at the Basquiat square bag. The Basquiat square bag and what can fit inside. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye! I would like to thank everyone who sent their well wishes to my mom. Thank you so much for your prayers. My mom is doing better. She's still a little weak, some shortness of breath, but she was able to come over to my place and ask us to play some mahjong. So playing mahjong is a therapy for her. Every time she wants to play mahjong, I would say yes if I'm here at the house. So she's been walking around already. She has been seen by the doctor as an outpatient for her drain to be removed. And I heard she's been walking more now lately. So yes, my mom is doing good. Thank you so much for all your prayers. And I'll be seeing you again next time. Bye!